This is everything that you need to know about the Garmin inReach Mini 2, how to operate it, how to send the SOS, and how to actually contact your significant other, and actually what it looks like on their phone. Well, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy.
So this is going to be a video on how to actually do everything starting from the very beginning with Garmin. So type in Garmin and we're going to click on the website. This is going to take us to the website, and then you're going to go to sign in. And this is for people that already have an account with them. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in. I'm going to put in my address. From here, I'm going to click on accounts. And then over here, you're going to look at subscription and service plans. So right now, I'm on pause. So that's why you can see that my thing is suspended right now. I'm not getting charged right now, but I do have to get it charged by August 10th. If I don't, and then I go ahead and lose everything. So let's go ahead and manage this. So you can see that I have 0 payments or zero charges so far, and I'm gonna resume service. So this is the plan that I currently have. I'm going to show you what other plans that there are to offer. There's the basic, which is, you know, almost $8, and you get your SOS service, and you can look at some of the details. You can go ahead and get the text message. It costs you 10 cents or a tracking point. Or you can do the $15 one, which allows you to send up to 50 text messages. You also can do unlimited check-ins. Check-ins are pretty nice. I'll show you later in the video how to do those. And you get SOS services too. Right here is a little bit more details of everything. Over here, 50 text messages. You get a weather report. And this is the one that I actually prefer, the inReach standard plan. It is $30 a month. Now, what I typically do is I pay for about a month or two, depending on how long I'm out backpacking. And each month it resets. So right now I get up to 150 text messages and unlimited tracking. Unlimited tracking is what I really enjoy. And then check-ins. A little bit more about unlimited tracking. So this is unlimited every 10 minutes. And what's really nice about this feature, I can send a link to a friend, my wife, anyone who wants to track me as I'm going. And, you know, you can adjust this instead of every 10 minutes. You can do it like every hour. And if they see that you're not moving, you know, they might want to reach out to you. So this is very important. This part right here is why I'm willing to pay the $29.99. So let's go ahead and continue plan. And then, yes, I'm going to go ahead and accept everything, yada, 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 and then accept. So, your current plan, inReach, da-da-da, and your new plan right here, starting today, July 3rd, 2026. Complete. Now it's updating. All right, so this is the Garmin inReach Mini 2, and it has a couple up-down buttons. And then it has your OK button, and then your back button, and then your SO button. And then your C charger is right here. Let's go over some of the features on this. You can go down, and we can go ahead and track stuff. So let's go ahead and just do that right now. Hit OK. We're going to start tracking. I'm not going to share this location with anyone yet. Back. Okay. So some of the navigation features. Once you hit OK, you can see where you are. And I can start walking around, and it will track you wherever you are. But what's really cool is if you look at your compass and if you start walking. So if I turn over here, you know, now we're pointing more north. And if we go over here, we're pointing more south. Now focus on the miles per hour, because this is pretty cool. So I can start walking over here, and it takes a minute for the miles per hour to start moving in, but you can see that the miles per hour starts moving up and down. So that's kind of a cool feature that this offers. And then it also tells you your navigation. here's my coordinates. This is the elevation I'm at right now. And I can go ahead and do a weather report just by hitting OK. Go ahead and hit OK right there. And yes. Go all the way down. Yes. Get a forecast. And that's going to be sending that to my phone and also to this device as well. Okay, so that happened actually pretty fast. So the weather report happened. So click on OK, and I can see what it feels like, if there's any wind, and this is kind of like the forecast. So Friday looks like it's 67, then it goes up to 70. Sunday 75, pretty warm, and you can see. So we got some T-storms on the 7th. So pretty cool feature. And now let me show you the SOS button. Now, I don't want you being nervous about using the SOS button, but I do want you to get familiar with using it. So you kick this open, and there's a button right in there. Now, you can't push this. So I'm pushing as hard as I can, and nothing is going on. But as soon as I open this, I can go ahead and hit the button. So I'm going to go ahead and push it. Hold it for 3 seconds. Then I got 20 seconds to just make it not work. So I just hit back, and it's not going on anymore. I'll do it one more time for demonstration purposes. And believe it or not, I always get a little nervous about pushing this. So hold it 3 seconds. It's going. And then hit the back button. And that will send an SOS message. Okay, let me show you some of the phone features. We're going to hit explore. So this is where I am right now. And we're going to zoom in. So I'm actually at a campsite, and I've been walking around. So I'm going to go ahead and just, walk in one direction so you can actually see this thing moving. Well, you got different maps that you can choose from. I prefer to use the satellite so I can see where I am, but there's different maps over here. You can play around with it to see what you prefer. And then you got your north point right over here, and then we'll just go ahead and realign you. Let's check out the weather. So you're gonna hit the messenger, and then you're gonna notice down here there's a weather button, so we can go ahead and hit weather. Let's check out the weather. So this is what it looks like on the phone app. This is everything that we just looked at through the Garmin device, and it actually gives it way more detail. You can actually see it like hour by hour, and we can go down over here to Sunday, again hour by hour, today's weather. So pretty handy. Right there's those thunderstorms that we were talking about. Now there's no hour forecast for this day because it's too many days out. Now I want you to go ahead and click on your messenger and click on device. So again, you can go ahead and hit the SOS button over here. We'll go ahead and click it, and then you just slide this left or right, and then it'll do the same thing. Now what we can do, which is really cool, we can go ahead and hit check in, and then you can start your tracking right there. And then you can also do this right here. I can start tracking my stuff. So if I want to, I can actually stop my tracking, or I can just go ahead and share this link with someone. You can do it 2 different ways. You can go ahead and forward this link over here, share it over here, or copy the link. So we'll just go ahead and copy the link. I'll send this to these 2 people, my wife and my mother. Now they can go ahead and track me by just clicking on this link. So right here is my wife's device. So she is going to go ahead and click on this right here. This is what I just sent her, and she's going to get a live footage of where I am. So this is where I am. I'll try to zoom in. So she can get pretty close to where I am. And yes, I'm at Coffee Park campsite, and I'm going to be doing some backpacking. So she can actually see where I track. And this is going to go off every 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I have it set up for every 20 minutes to make it a little bit easier and save my battery on my device. Alright, so now we're going to go to the tracking area. And again, you can go ahead and change this to like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm going to actually move it to 30 minutes. So this is going to save a little bit more power for my device. Some people will do 1 hour, 2 hours. But 30 minutes is good enough for me. And let's go back. And we'll go back again. And let's send some messages. So I'm going to, right here. And I'm just going to say, hey, just saying hi. So I'm texting her. And then you can also do some quick text messages. So I can say like, hey, I wish you were here, and then enter. Now what's cool about these right here, I can actually click on it and actually see where my location is. So it's actually pretty cool that you can send a quick message and then they can actually see like where you are, which is great because, you know, some of these messages are like, I'm on my way, or I'm stopping here. So, and then you can just click and see where you stopped. So this is what she just received. It says, hey, just checking in. So I can go ahead and click on that. Wish you were here. And then where I'm stopping. So we're going to click right here. And then again, it's going to show you where you are. And I'm just double clicking. So pretty cool for, you know, both parties, you know, for your wife or whoever is tracking you. You know, they can see exactly where you are. Like, right there's the bathroom. pretty crazy. And then, you know, if they want, they can go ahead and send a message back to you.
Hopefully you found this video very helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I can try to answer those. But I do post videos, usually they're outdoor videos, backpacking stuff, some truck stuff. And if you're into that kind of stuff, you might want to follow along. Again, I'm Coach Bill 305, and thanks for watching. Yeah, buddy.